moment that I go.
You looked at me with certainty. I couldn't look away. Took your time, get off like you were yesterday. Chasing your pretty thoughts and your plastic love. There goes my mind. Let it go.
Your intuition that's been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open, why you do that? Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruel. What's going on, baby? Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Did I make a mistake? And I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked.
What's up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to another vlog. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are doing a new year reset. Am I late? I don't know, but yeah, I'm now doing my new year reset for 2023. This is like a few days later, to be honest, if not a few weeks. At this point I can't keep track of the dates. Yeah, I have been able to do my laundry. The next thing I'm gonna do is to wash my makeup brushes, clean my space. My space hasn't been really dirty, so I don't really have a lot of cleaning to do, like deep cleaning to do. I'm gonna also plan and budget for the year. Let me tell you, in Ghana we are paid at the end of the month. So for January I was paid at the end of January, and so I'm spending my budget in February, if you understand. But then my budget didn't go according to the budget. Okay, my budget went way overboard. I overspent, and I think it's mostly because, one, my birthday, two, there were so many other things that came up, and that is something that I'm learning to add to my budget. Money for emergencies, because things come up, things can just come up, and that has happened a lot in this month. So, and I'm also thinking of doing should I do it? I'm actually not sure. I'm contemplating if I should do a vision board. Trust me, vision boards work because they motivate you to achieve your goals. They worked for me last year. There are things that I put on my vision board that I was able to achieve, and this year I just haven't really been pushed that much to do it. Not because I don't want to do it, I don't know, I just haven't had the time. So I want to try and see if I can do that. I think maybe grocery shopping will have to come later in another video, because I wanted to do that in this video and my money is done, so I don't have money to buy groceries. So I'm going to do that in another video. I'll probably do how much I spend in a day or how much I spend on groceries. Either when it's 2 in the morning, playing in the garden. Hi, it's how many days later? I don't know. Let me just show you. Oh my god. What is this? Anyways, let me just show you guys the new decor that I was talking about. I'm sure you'd have seen by now. Like close shots of those. It's not anything plenty. So let me just show you guys. I decided to, I didn't know, I told you guys earlier when I did my room decor that I didn't know where to put my paintings or my what do they call it? Oh, what do they call this? I've forgotten now. It's not that I don't know, I've forgotten. I didn't know where to put it, so I decided to put it there, right on top of my, I've forgotten what this is also called. It's very early in the morning that I'm filming this, so maybe my brain is not working as it should, I don't know. But yeah, and then I decided to put this book stand here. I've had this for years. If you remember my other room, I cleaned out one of the spaces in the house with you guys, saying that I wanted to start filming there. That'll be my filming room. Yeah, I put this there as a background something, but since I'm not using the place, I brought it back to my room and I decided to put my books there because my books were taking space and I didn't know where to put them. So yeah, so this is how everything came out, and actually it's not bad. It is a vibe. Okay, the second decor new thing in my room is not, the mirror is not new, it's just the positioning. So I changed the position of the mirror. The mirror used to be just here. I don't know what to put here yet, but the mirror used to be here, now it's there. And I decided to just put my flower pot in front of it to give it a vibe, and it does. So I love it. And then the last one is my flower. I decided to put my bin right at the door because it was close to my bedside and I didn't like that. So just ignore that. Ignore this cord. What I hate the most in this room is the fact that TV cords are everywhere. Like the cords are just too much. They show a lot and I don't like it. The last new thing is the pot for the flower. The other pot got broken. If you remember, it was a white ceramic pot and it got broken, or flower vase, and it got broken. I found this somewhere and took it and decided to use it. So I put a bunch of stones in it, and yeah, to make it stand, because what made the other one break is the fact that it was just loose and the flowers were kind of weighing the thing down, because if you go near the flower and it shakes, it's going to fall down. So that's what happened. I was cleaning, walking by, and I touched the flower, like the edge of this flower, and it just fell down and broke. So I decided to put stones in it, and it's actually not bad. So yeah. I have no idea how long.
Step up in a place, look to the right, look into my eyes, see you feeling my vibe. Go tight, get down so nice. Ain't nobody else in the room but you. Let's start together like you. Body got me sick like flow. Girl, I need you to do what you do, 'cause you do it well. Everyone can tell that you got me in your spell. See the way I felt. Step up in a place, look to the right, look into my